Hello and welcome to another monthly machine tooling video. In this video I'll be demonstrating the Boxford Tailstock dial. For those of you sitting at home with a Boxford Lathe, you'll know how frustrating it is to drill to depths without a tailstock dial. You probably would have been using these 16th divisions on the shaft here, which are only good if you want to drill in a 16th division, and they're not very accurate anyway because you've got to do it by eye. Either that or you've been using a vernier, which is also a pain. So we've come up with this idea, a tailstock dial for your Boxford. It's got 83 divisions per turn, that's 83 thou per turn, and as you see, you come one full revolution, it drops down to 80, 90, 100. Just makes drilling between 83 and 100 thou a bit easier. Not that the dial is difficult to use, 83 divisions is quite simple, easy to become accustomed to. Purely because 3 turns of the handle gives you 1/4 of an inch. So once you use it, you're fine with it. It is imperative that the feed screw on the tailstock is 12 TPI. That's obviously 12 teeth per inch. Best way of figuring out whether yours is or not is set the shaft there to 0 and then count 12 turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and it should come an inch, travel an inch. Alternatively, you could use your vernier to measure it, but that is imperative, otherwise the dial would be absolutely useless. I'm going to show you a couple of other things that I would consider imperative for this dial to work, and they are one, the shoulder on the handle. It has to be flat. Some have a radius on them. Normally the older ones do, but it has to be flat. And it's also imperative that measures roughly an inch and an eighth. It doesn't have to be exactly an inch and an eighth, but in that ballpark, because the slack is taken up by the dial's gripping system anyway. Also, this grub screw may be sitting proud of this shoulder, which this one was. I had to grind it down. It just stops the dial from turning nicely on there. It just sort of impedes it. And that's all you need to know really. Right, fitting the dial, very simple. Find yourself a hard surface, or a flat surface should I say. Put something soft on there to stop the dial getting damaged. Dial face down, handle over the top, and just squeeze it in. And it's as simple as that. That dial is not coming off. It won't move around of its own accord. And it's ready to be put back on the tailstock. So you just line that hole up with the grub screw. Oh, there it is, I must have missed it. Tighten him down, and it's there, ready to work. You can see here for an indicator I've used a little bit of masking tape and a pen. That's for the benefits of the video, so you can actually see it, but you can do whatever you like. You can do the same. You can draw directly onto the steel there with a marker pen, or you could scribe a line in, or alternatively you can use your imagination, make up some kind of elaborate pointer system. It's completely up to you. Maybe you've got some ideas, you can put them in the comment section below. I think that's the end of the video now, so I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment, like, subscribe, and check out my eBay shop where you can purchase this dial and many other products in the description below. Thanks for watching, goodbye.